So one of the most common questions that I get from my students is, Sergi, why is my grade so low? Sergi, what am I missing? Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to attempt to have you understand everything that you can actually do through Plusportals and all the information that you can get so that you are absolutely sure as to why you are getting the grade that you're getting in each and every subject in school. So bear with me for the next 3 to 5 minutes and we'll take care of this easy as pie. So after you log into your Plusportals account, you're going to find a page like this. In it, there will be your personal information included, along with a reminder that tells you the amount of unread messages that you have in your inbox, as well as some important events that are coming in your school calendar. On the right, there is the upcoming events column. Here, all the events that have been already designed and prepared by your teachers or the school are going to be displayed along with the date in which it will take place. What we are interested in is this little section here, the progress section. Here you're going to find the names of all of your subjects along with the grade that you currently possess in each one of them. To the right, you're going to find the name of each teacher along with the email link that you can actually use in order to reach them directly. Now, by looking at this screen, this is where most people just stop and they say, why do I have a 57 in physical science? What could the problem be? Well, when you put your mouse over each one of the grades that you have in each one of the subjects, you're going to have the option to actually click on it in order to get to some details about that specific number. Here is how that works. Let's click on the 57 on the physical science subject so that we can know why is it that we have such a low grade. So this would be the page that we're going to get afterwards, after we click on the number, and this is going to give me a specific about the class. If I click on this arrow here, then I could choose a different class and see the same details as I'm about to see. So now if we scroll down a bit, we're going to find first the category averages. These are the amount of weights given to each one of the categories in our gradebook. In this case, for example, homework is worth 10%, class 20%, and lab 50%. If you keep changing pages here, then you're going to get more details about this. But probably the most important thing, it's here where it says scores. And in this case, since we have chosen the class of physical science, which is the one that has a 57, and I want to know why, this is where I get to see the entire thing. I have two classworks that have been put in by the teacher. I can see the short name on this column, followed by the long name. Probably the long name is going to be the one that's most useful for you because that's where all the description is going to come into play. Then it's going to give you the category to which it belongs, as well as the date when this was assigned, followed by the score that you actually got on each one of the tasks, followed by the possible points for each one of these two. I can easily see now that on the first classwork assigned on this subject, I got a 100 over 100. But on the second one, as I can see, I got a 30 over 100. So this is probably why I have such a low grade in this class. So in a very easy way, now we have learned how to get the details that we need about each one of our grades. I hope this helps you a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.